Hey guys, it's Jin here, and today I'm going to do another video on this IPL, so Seboron Silk Expert Pro 5. In my last video, I was doing treatments using this IPL for about 8 weeks, and I did a review on what it's like on 8 weeks. I continued the treatments until around 12 or 13 weeks, and I stopped. And just want to let you guys know the last treatment was months ago, and this update is just more like what happens when you stop treatments. And this video is also to kind of like further prove what I meant by IPL are permanent, but they're not permanent, if that makes sense. So basically I'll be talking to you and also showing you like some of the body parts of mine that were used in the other video to compare what happens when you stop treatments. So one thing I do want to note is that, like, because my last treatment was actually ages ago, so it wasn't like last week, it was like months and months ago, I have shaved. As a little hint, what happens, I have shaved throughout these couple of months. That will also affect what the hair will look like. Obviously when you shave it will go thicker again. So yeah, there will be some photos I'm going to be showing, putting like there somewhere. If you look at the photo, you can see that like the hairs on the leg is very patchy. You can almost say that it's way patchier than before I did the IPL, so it definitely got rid of some hair that stopped growing basically for a while. However, there is still like some areas that do have hair and it's still growing. This is what I mean when I said that like IPL is permanent, but it's not permanent. So just for like a little revision, IPL is basically a technology that targets your hair follicle and basically put them to sleep. It doesn't destroy the follicle, but it just put the follicle to sleep. Hence why, like I said, it's permanent but it's not permanent. It's only permanent if you keep using the treatments. And as a result, you can see from my results of not shaving my leg for a couple of weeks, that's what it looks like if you stop using it, especially if you like start shaving it too again. The hair will go back to being pretty thick. So basically, if I wanted to start doing the treatments again and make my hair go back to finer, I do need to go back to square one. And the one thing that I didn't like, I should have taken photos, is that like your hair, when it grows out again and when you stop treatment initially, and this is like a situation where you have not shaved for like ever since, then your hair will come out finer. It's actually pretty fine until you start shaving again, then it'll go back to like square one. So basically I'm gonna actually have to redo everything again and to get the result that I wanted again. My lip area, is like a great example. I meant if you like stop treatments but you don't shave it. If you can look at my the lip hair, it's very fine, like to a point where like you can hardly notice it with like a, you know, normal human eye, unless you actually like go really close to my face and literally stare at it, then you'll see like some hair there. So yeah, basically like this video is just to let you guys know that it's really important that you do remain on your treatments. So even after like 12 treatments, where that's the number of treatments that the product recommends, so you have to redo it at least once a month again to like top on the lasering and stuff to kind of keep the follicle asleep. So yeah, that's basically the end of the video. This video is pretty short because it's just an update and just kind of like warn you guys that you guys do need to continue your treatments, otherwise it's not going to work and you're basically going back to square one like me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys find this video somewhat useful and helpful like the other video. If you have any questions on more of what happens if you stop, or like what is the result after 12 weeks alone, feel free to comment down below and I'll get to you and make sure I answer all your questions as soon as possible. So yeah, I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.